Hi, my name is Lauren Kaufman, and I'm an educator in Long Island, New York. And my one word 2021 is believe.
Hi, my name is Dan Villadore. I am a health and physical education teacher here in Toronto, Ontario. I am also an instructional leader at York University, and my one word for 2021 is resilience.
Hi, I'm Melissa Hayes from Hilliard, Ohio, and my one word is laugh.
Hi, it's Brad Hughes, elementary principal in Waterloo, Ontario, Canada, and my one word for 2021 is restore.
I'm David Hennell. I'm a tech director for a school in Maryland, and my word for 2021 is noise. Find your voice, promote your message, and make noise so you are heard.
Hey there, I'm Dr. Darren Pepper. I'm a superintendent of schools in Colorado, and I'm the author of Road to Awesome, Empower, Lead, and Change the Game. And my one word for 2021 is traction.
Hey guys, Mark Tiderici, Assistant Principal, Western Sydney, New South Wales, Australia. My one word for 2021 is support. Give it, seek it, accept it. Why? Because we're better together.
Hey everybody, I'm Tara Desiderio, proud elementary principal in Allentown, Pennsylvania, and my one word for the second year in a row is intentional. I feel like there is so much power in being intentional, and it served me so well last year that I am so looking forward to being intentional throughout this year and all of our hopes and dreams coming true. I hope you are too.
Hey everyone, it's Taylor Armstrong from Vestavia Hills, Alabama, Assistant Technology Director, and my one word for 2021 is open. Be open, be honest, be truthful with each other, and let's be transparent.
Hi, my name's Beth Lyons. I'm a full-time teacher librarian in Caledon, Ontario, Canada. My one word for January is nourish. And I picked nourish because I wanted to nourish this time at home with my family, my children and my husband. And I wanted to focus on nourishing my body by eating more healthy and getting outside and exercising more.
Hey everybody, my name is Lise Farquhar and I'm a visual arts teacher at an international school in the United Arab Emirates. And my one word for 2021 is yes.
You gotta build on it. Whatever you learn from, you gotta build on it.
Hi, I'm Sari Goldberg McEwen, Central Office Administrator and Remote Learning Principal from Long Island, New York. My one word for 2020 is empathy. I believe in the power of relationships, and listening, understanding, and being able to put yourself into somebody else's shoes only helps to deepen those relationships. And at the end of the day, we are better together.
My name is Noah Daniel. I am a teacher just outside Toronto in Canada. I am also a podcaster. I'm a writer, I'm a speaker, and I'm the co-founder of The Mentry. And my one word for 2021 is breathe, so that I don't forget, so that every time I glitch online, I remember that that spinning wheel is an opportunity to just take it all in and let it all go.
Everybody, it's Pamela Hall from PamHall2Inspire.com. I'm an elementary engineering teacher from Virginia, USA. And my one word for 2021 is glory!
I'm Mark from Canton, Michigan. And my one word is forward, because we can't have these challenges hold us back from achieving our goals.
Hey everybody, this is Chris Aldana at beautiful Los Fresnos High School in South Texas. And my one word for this year, it's actually two words, yet and empower. Have a great year, everybody.
My name is Tony Capola, and I'm a third grade teacher in Northern California. And my one word this year, surrender.
Everybody, Santiago Meza here, elementary principal from Roseland, California. And my one word for 2021 is go. Go with faith, go with hope, go with love. And when you go in those things, you go, help, serve, and support. Go.
Hi everyone, it's Donna McKeons. I'm a teacher in Massachusetts and a leader as well, and my one word for 2021 is acknowledge, because I want to spend more time listening to the stories of others so I can get to understand them better.
Yo, this is Brian Romero Smith Sr., Territory Manager for Nearpod and Vocabulary here in North Texas, giving you my one word for 2021. With all the intentionality taking place in 2020,
My word is purpose. In 2021, we have to do things on purpose, with purpose, and most importantly, for His purpose. Peace.
Mi one word para el 2021 es oportunidad. La oportunidad de cumplir todos los propósitos pendientes de 2020 y la oportunidad de disfrutar nuestras familias.
I'm Wallace.
Hey everyone, I'm Philip.
And our one word is
family.
Family.
My name is Ryan, and our 2021 word is smile.
Hey, I'm Tracy. So my one word, I thought about it. I'm like, I'm not finished with last year's word. And then I had a word for this year. So last year was fearless. This year's collaboration. I thought, why not combine them? So this year, I will fearlessly collaborate.
Hi, I'm Pav Wander from Toronto, Ontario, Canada. Chey and I are hosts of the Staff Room Podcast and The Drive on Voice Ed Radio. And our one word for 2021 is amplify.
Hey guys, Charles Williams here from the Counter Narrative Podcast, and my one word for 2021 is challenge.